In front of me is XIAOMI Leica Leitzphone, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening Themes app and swiping at the top to the left. This way you can tap on fonts at the top right corner, select one of those and buy one if you want to, or pick one of the free ones and download it thanks to free button. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, hit apply and wait. So when I go back to check it out, I can see that style of my font has changed. If you want to go back to default font style or any other downloaded one, hit my accounts at the bottom right corner, select fonts, click on the one you wanna apply and hit apply button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!